So welcome back students. Here is the next problem, that is problem number 8. So that states BM company obtained a mine on a lease for a period of 30 years beginning from the 1st Jan 2018. So who is obtaining the mine? That is BM company, that will be lessee company. So they are not given who is the lessor. You know, at that time you will be recording only the name of landlord, that is you will be writing as landlord or lessee. So what he has occurred, he has taken a minefield for 30 years from 1st Jan 2018. The following terms, from the following terms. What is the minimum rent payable? 24,000 is the minimum rent payable per year. Each year, excess of minimum rent over the actual royalties can be recovered during the subsequent year, 2 subsequent years. So if it is a short workings in 2008 means that short workings can be recovered in 9 and 10. So if it is a short workings of 2009 means that short workings can be recovered in 10 and 11. If it is a short workings of 10, that can be recovered in 11 and 12. Likewise, so this method of recoupment is known as floating recoupment method. So subsequent the word is used. So why? Next, due to the accident or strike, minimum rent is reduced to 25% for the year. So if in any particular year, if there is a strike or if there is an accident in an industry or some coal mine field, so at that time the minimum rent will be reduced by 25%. What is the minimum rent? 24,000. So this 24,000 will be reduced by 25%. Okay. Royalty was calculated at 50 per ton. Whatever the tons they have been produced for the particular years, on that tons per ton they will be paying rupees 50 as a royalty. Next, the production during the 4 years from 2008 to 11 was as follows. So year 2008, 9, 10 and 11, and in the year 2011 there is a strike for 3 months. What is the production? 280 in the 2008, 2009 360, in 2011, so in 2010 600, and 2011 it is 4400. So now what do you need to open the following accounts in the books of lessee, and they ask for minimum rent account. So when the minimum rent account is asked, that is the minimum rent account when minimum rent is followed, and royalty account, short workings account and lessors account. Now what is the first thing you need to prepare? The table of analysis. So I'll be showing you a table of analysis. All the 4 accounts need to be prepared by you. Okay, you need to prepare it and you need to record it in your notes. Please do follow notes. Please do maintain your notes properly. This is very important. And okay, years you will be writing first. What is the, how to prepare a table of analysis? You will be writing the years. Whatever the year is there, 2008, 9, 10 and 11. Whatever the outputs you have earned or the company has earned, you'll be writing. What is the royalty? Rupees 50 per ton. The question they have said. So 280 into 50, 14,000. 360 into 50, 18,000. 600 into 50, 30,000. 440 into 50, 22,000. So now you need to write down minimum rent. So what is minimum rent? 24,000 per annum. So you will be writing 24,000 for the first year. In the year of 2011 there is a strike. So in the question they have said that at the time of the strike the minimum rent is reduced by 24%. 25%. How to write that? 24,000 into 25%. So how much is 24,000 into 25%? You need to calculate. 24,000 into 25%, that is 6,000. So now the minimum rent for 2011 it will be, that is, what is the minimum rent payable? 24,000 minus 6,000 is the, you have given the reduction of 6,000. So now 18,000 is the minimum rent of 2011. So now we need to calculate if it is a surplus or if it is a short working. So in the first year the minimum rent is more than royalty. So you have occurred at the short workings. So you will be paying the whatever the minimum rent value. So in the second year the minimum rent is more than royalty. So 6,000 is the short workings. So you will be paying the minimum rent. In the third year, the minimum rent is less than royalty. The royalty is more. So what is the surplus value? 6,000 is the surplus value. Now you need to write off this. So you need to write off the minimum rent. So yes, you need to write off this short workings. You need to write off the short workings. So what is there in the question? the each year's excess of minimum rent over the actual royalty, that is short workings, can be recovered in the next 2 years. In the first year we have 10,000 short workings that can be recovered in the next 2 years, that is 2008's short workings can be recovered in 2009 and 2010. So in 2010 there is an surplus. So first I'll be seeing for 2008 because it is having only 2 years period, right? So 2008, in this 10,000 rupees, I'll be writing off 6,000. I'll be taking 6,000. I recovered 6,000. So remaining 4,000 will be short workings irrecoverability. Short workings irrecovered. Why is this? Because I have only, for recovery of this 10,000, I have only 2 years of time. I recovered 6,000 rupees. From this 10,000, I recovered 6,000 rupees, and remaining 4,000 will become the short workings irrecoverability. I'll be paying the minimum rent amount. So in the next year, the minimum royalty is more than the minimum rent. Why is that more than the minimum rent? Because the minimum rent has been reduced due to the strike. So now what is the surplus value? 4,000 rupees. So what we will do, this 6,000 is there at Atsara, we finished. First year's thing is done. We'll be seeing with the second year's thing. We have 6,000 rupees. So out of this 6,000, what is the short workings of 2009? The short workings of 2009 is 6,000. So surplus of 2011 is 4,000. So now what is the remaining is 2,000 rupees is a short workings irrecoverability of 2009. I'll be writing 2,000 rupees as a short workings irrecoverability of 2009. 6,000ದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ 4,000 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ 6,000 ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು 4,000 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ 2,000 it is irrecoverability. So now what I will be paying? Whatever the minimum rent is there, that I will be paying. So this is all about the problem 8. So hope you have been understood. So it is very easy. Once if you know to prepare this table of analysis, you can prepare with all the next 4 ledger accounts. So now prepare minimum rent account, royalty account, short workings account, and lesser account. And next, problem number 9, 10 and 11 is an assignment problem. Solve it in your notes. This is similar to the previous problem whichever I did. All this previous problem I did. On that basis itself, everything particularly same. You are given the assignment. Solve it. Any doubt you can contact me. So now done. Thank you.